Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is. What if we never let go?
Welcome back to my channel. For today's video guys, ang isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano mag-withdraw sa Singlife. So, sobrang dali lang guys. Hello guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano mag-withdraw sa Singlife. So, i-click lang natin itong Gensure. At punta tayo sa My Gensure. So, ito yung mga insurance ko guys. So, i-click natin itong Cash for Goals. So, mag-withdraw ako ng 500 guys. Dito lang i-click basta mag-withdraw ka. So, wait lang tayo guys. So, ito na guys. Noong August 15 ako nag-invest dito. So, dito natin i-click sa services. Mayroon dito adjust payment, post payments, withdraw from investment. So, dito tayo guys sa withdraw. So, ito yung investment ko guys. 3,499.26. So, laki ako nag-withdraw dito guys. Kaya, hindi talaga lalaki ito kasi lagi na lang ako nag-withdraw. So, i-click lang natin itong withdraw. So, are you sure you want to withdraw from your investments? Here's what you lose if you continue your withdrawal. So, mayroong you might na draw. So, kailangan ko talagang mag-withdraw guys kasi kailangan ko ng pera. So, i-click lang natin itong withdraw anyway. Kung ayaw mo naman guys, i-click mo ito, I want to reach up 75,000 and 285 pesos. So, i-click ko itong withdraw anyway. Then, pipili ka dito guys kung saan mo gusto i-withdraw yung pera, sa GCash ba or sa bank transfer. So, i-click ko itong GCash guys. Ito guys, GCash. Then, i-click ang next. So, 3 to 5 days ang dito guys, in business days. So, payment method GCash. So, i-click confirm lang guys. Sobrang dali lang guys. So, you're almost done. Tapos na guys. So, date and time, September 16 ko, withdraw. So, then, this will be credited to your account within 3 to 5 business days. So, maghintay lang tayo guys na pumunta sa ating GCash account. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.